This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Podcast and the Becker Business Minute Podcast. Today's topic is 4 financial rules to live by. Thank you for listening. If you listen to this all the way through, feel free to text me at 773-766-5322. And the first person that texts me will get a $50 Amazon gift certificate. Thank you for listening. First financial rule. Always be willing to de-risk and take risk off the table when you can. That's sort of rule number 1. And this is complicated. This might be selling a company or selling a business or a stock when it's winning, and it's hard to do because everybody wants to see, can they turn that into a huge mega thing, whatever it is. But the basic concept is take risk off the table when you can. If you can, hold on to some of it so you still have the winner if it keeps on going, but don't be afraid to take risk off the table. Second is, don't live in the world of the fear of missing out or FOMO. One of the things that you see so many people do is pile money into riskier assets, whether it's equities in general, Bitcoin, anything else, because they have fear of missing out on the next Apple, the next whatever. I have so many friends that said, if I just put $100,000 into Tesla 20 years ago, 10 years ago, I'd be rich now. If I just put $100,000 into Apple, I'd be rich now, or whatever it might be. But you can't live in the world of the fear of missing out, FOMO, or shoulda, woulda, coulda. The third financial rule to live by is to understand asset allocations and what they mean in up and down markets. You know, one thing that is clear, you can't time the market. So you have to understand what your allocation is going to look like when the market spikes up, it spikes down, what's it going to look like, and how are you going to sit and how are you going to feel? Because you don't want to be in a spot where you feel so bad you have to sell when the market goes down. So that's the third financial rule. Understand market allocations. The fourth financial rule is, and this is something that everybody's been told since they were forever, years old, is have a nest egg, have a safety bit of cash, have an emergency fund. You have to have something so that you can withstand some of these very difficult situations. In any event, those are 4 financial rules to live by. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Minute, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Again, text 773-766-5322. If you're the first person to listen to this, we'll send you a $50 Amazon gift certificate. Thank you very much.